Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to export Gmail contacts. You will need to use the Google Contacts website on a computer to do this. First, open the Google Contacts sites. Go to www.contacts.google.com in your preferred browser. Then click Export. Then click the circle to the left of the All Contacts heading near the top of the pop-up window. There are three types of formats. First, Google CSV format. Select this option if you want to add this contact to another Gmail account. And second, Outlet CSV format. Select this option if you want to add these contacts to Outlet, Yahoo and another email services. vCard format. Select this option if you want to add these contacts to Apple Mail and select on your demand. Then click Export. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more updates.